In this tutorial, I will show you how to make an image transparent in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design in the top right corner. Next, choose Custom Size and enter 100 for the width and 50 for the height to create a simple canvas. After the blank canvas opens, go to the left side menu and click Elements or Uploads to add an image. Select an image and place it on your canvas. Click on the image to select it. Now, look at the top toolbar and find the transparency icon. It usually looks like a small checkerboard or fading square. Click the transparency icon and a slider will appear. Move the slider to the left to reduce the opacity and make the image more transparent. Move the slider to the right if you want the image to become more visible again. Adjust the transparency level until you get the effect you want. This feature is useful for creating overlays, watermarks, or blending images with backgrounds. Finally, review your design and click Share and then Download to save your project.